Hello dear Zoom Auto family. Today, we take a calm and confident look at the 2026 Mercedes-AMG PureSpeed, an open-air performance machine that redefines exclusivity and emotional driving. This limited production Roadster channels motorsport heritage into a bold, uncompromising form that eliminates the traditional windshield in favor of a dramatic halo-inspired safety structure. From the first glance, the PureSpeed commands attention with its low-slung stance, elongated hood, and sharply sculpted aerodynamic surfaces. The front fascia features aggressive air intakes, a prominent AMG grille, and sleek LED headlamps that cut through the air with precision. Carbon fiber elements enhance both structural rigidity and weight reduction, while large forged wheels and ceramic braking systems signal serious intent. The flowing body lines sweep toward a tapered rear deck, emphasizing speed even at a standstill. Every contour has been shaped in the wind tunnel, balancing downforce and efficiency to create a stable high-speed profile. Positioned at the pinnacle of the AMG lineup, the PureSpeed carries a premium price reflective of its rarity, advanced engineering, and collector-focused appeal. Production numbers remain extremely limited, ensuring exclusivity for discerning enthusiasts who demand something extraordinary. Step inside. The cockpit delivers a driver-focused environment crafted for immersive performance. The seating layout centers around deeply bolstered sport, seats designed to hold occupants securely during high-speed cornering. Premium leather upholstery wraps the seats, dashboard, and door panels, accented by contrast stitching and exposed carbon fiber trim. The flat-bottom AMG Performance steering wheel features integrated drive mode controls and tactile aluminum shift paddles. The digital instrument cluster presents configurable performance data, while the central infotainment display offers intuitive navigation and connectivity features. Materials feel meticulously assembled, with brushed metal switchgear and precision detailing reinforcing its handcrafted character. Despite its performance orientation, the cabin provides thoughtful storage compartments for smaller essentials, though overall cargo capacity remains modest due to the compact Roadster configuration. Technology integration includes advanced telemetry systems capable of recording lap data, acceleration metrics, and dynamic performance feedback. A premium surround sound system ensures audio clarity when cruising, complemented by smartphone connectivity and voice command functionality. Under the sculpted hood resides a handcrafted AMG twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering breathtaking power and torque. Acceleration is immediate and forceful, launching the PureSpeed forward with relentless intensity. The performance-tuned transmission executes rapid shifts, maintaining seamless power delivery across the rev range. Adaptive suspension systems continuously adjust damping to optimize grip and stability, whether carving through tight mountain roads or accelerating along open highways. High-performance braking components provide confident stopping power, reinforcing driver control at elevated speeds. Fuel economy is understandably secondary in a vehicle of this caliber, yet intelligent engine management helps balance performance with reasonable efficiency during relaxed driving scenarios. As a limited edition halo model, the PureSpeed effectively represents a singular trim level, though customization options allow owners to select bespoke finishes, unique paint schemes, and personalized interior accents. Ultimately, the 2026 Mercedes-AMG PureSpeed stands as a bold expression of engineering freedom and motorsport inspiration. It strips away conventional barriers between driver and road, replacing them with unfiltered sensation and precision control. The sound profile from the V8 exhaust system produces a deep, resonant growl under acceleration, transitioning to a refined rumble during steady cruising. Steering feedback feels direct and communicative, reinforcing confidence through every curve. Structural rigidity ensures composure even at high speeds, while aerodynamic enhancements maintain planted stability. This is not merely transportation. It is an emotional statement crafted for enthusiasts who value authenticity and mechanical artistry. The PureSpeed invites drivers to experience performance in its purest, most exhilarating form. Thanks for watching, Zoom Auto Family. If this review revved your heart, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more epic car reviews and tell us in the comments, would you pick this modern Eleanor? Or does the classic still rule your heart? Until next time, drive safe, drive fast, and keep chasing your automotive dreams.